Hi, my name is Chris Morton from binaryoptions.net.au. In this video, I'll tell you a system that can make you up to $785 in less than an hour. The system is very easy to use and only has 3 short steps. It will help you profit several $100s on a daily basis. I will now show you the exact method in which I use and you'll be able to use it to do the same. So what is this method exactly and how does it work? It is a trading system based on binary options. Binary options are very simple to understand because all it requires is one decision on whether an asset will go up or whether an asset will go down. Once you choose one of the two options, the trade can begin. It is a very fast trade in 5 to 60 minutes, and once the time is up, the position will automatically close, and if your choice was right, you'll profit up to 185%. So how will you know whether to choose up or down? We're going to use a very simple method that is used by the professional traders called chart trends analysis. As there is a high probability of a financial asset to continue its current direction rather than to reverse it, we can analyze the graphs and recognize its trends. There are 3 main trends: an uptrend or a bullish trend, a downtrend, also called a bearish trend, then a sideways or neutral trend. I will now demonstrate how to use these trends to earn money. I will now log into my binary options broker account and show you exactly step by step how it's done. Okay, so just logging in. Obviously, you'll have to create your own account to use. This system will work on any of the binary brokers that I have endorsed on binaryoptions.net.au. When I created this, as you can see, I now have $2,655.51 in this account. When I first opened this account, it only had $500. Now let's see how this system works and let's see how this system which made this growth really works. In the binary platform, you have many assets to choose from. You have commodities, currencies, indices, stocks, and also pairs where you're betting 2 stocks against each other. The direction can either be up or down, and notice the timer as the trade can last between 5 to up to 60 minutes. So now I'll perform trades according to the method of trends monitoring, and you'll be able to see how I make money with binary options. So I'll go over to my sites, and you'll see here I have a section where click here to recognize trends using real-time stock charts. So let's click to this page. This page will then load up various real-time charts. It'll take up to 60 seconds for all the charts to load up, so just be patient. Okay, the first one's coming in now. Another thing you'll have to keep in mind is that the time is in GMT time. So as I'm in Australia and it's actually 12:30 GMT time, it's actually 2 o'clock in the morning GMT time. So if we're going to do basically 1 hour expiry dates, so if I was to do a trade right now, I'd be looking to do it at 3 hours 35 minutes. Or here you can see 3 hours 30 minutes is probably what I'm looking to do. That will be just the hour expiry that I'm after. Okay, let's go back to my source. Okay, so here we have the Euro USD currency pair. You can see right here it has a very uppish or bullish trend. So we'll go over to our broker and enter in, or the drop down, look for Euro USD. That's what we're after. Yep, Euro USD. And then we'll be going for an upwards trend. Actually, we'll make sure the expiry is set for 1 hour from now. Upwards trend. We'll put in our investment of $100 with a potential payout of $175. Hit apply, and that's now approved. So that's now in there. Alright, trade confirmation, excellent. Alright, so let's now bring up another chart. Let's bring up the AUD USD chart. Alright, here also we have a very sort of bullish trend where the low point here still going to a high point. So we'll do the same. We'll go to our broker, we'll bring up the AUD USD pair. Okay, now that chart has changed. Again, we'll be looking to do this in an hour, so this is just be under an hour. We want to pick this to be an up call, put in $100, apply, and approve. Okay, trade approved. Can exit that. Alright, go back to our chart and let's bring up the British pound versus the USD dollar. Again, we've got a nice bullish looking chart, so we'll just go through the same step. Bring up British pound USD. Let's come up. Make sure we get our expiry time right. We're going to do an up call. Put in $100. Hit apply. And actually see here the return rate is 72%. So sometimes the payout rates will be slightly different. Okay, that's now done. Let's go through to the next one. USD Swiss. Okay, so here we've actually got a more bearish or downwards trend chart. So it's exactly the same principle, but we're just going to do a put call or a sell call. Okay, so we'll go back to our broker, bring up the USD Swiss. Actually, USD Swiss, yeah, that's correct. Might not be here because the market is closed, so we can't actually do that one. Alright, so we'll skip over that one. You'll find that, you know, currencies are good because they're pretty much 24/7. You can do a trade, but not always. Obviously right now, this market is actually closed, so this is just the last 5-minute graph until the next opening. Okay, so let's bring up USD Canada. Alright, another very bearish looking chart. This one's has a very distinct downwards trend, and probably I'm very confident that this trade will come through. So let's just hope. I think this should be also, it might not be available because it's closed. Yeah, that's correct. Alright, so I might have to go the other way and see what's available here. So we've got New Zealand USD. graph. So let's go over here and bring up New Zealand USD. Okay, so this has a very from this point here to here, it's a very bullish chart. Has gone a bit sideways here, but the overall sentiment of the chart is that it's a very upwards trend currency pair right now. So we'll do, just make sure I get my expiry rate correct. We'll do an up call, put in $100 and hit apply. Okay, that's approved. Alright, so let's go to the next one, USD Singapore. We got the USD Singapore on our graphical chart. Where is that one? No, we might not have it on this one. Okay. Alright. What about the British pound Japan currency? So we've got the British pound Japan currency. Okay, yep, another very bullish looking chart. So we'll make another up call. Put in $100 as our investment. Hit apply. Well, actually, I'll cancel that just before trade cancelled. That expiry date is different. That's actually going to be an hour day. So we'll actually look over that because I'm looking to make my investment in hourly blocks. Okay, that's probably all we can do for now. Right now it's midday in Australia, so it's probably not the most ideal time to have all the markets open. The best times in Australia are sort of in the morning and in the evening. So, alright, as you can go down here, we can actually see all of our open positions and when they expire. Alright, so I'm going to actually pause this video and then resume it when we get a lot closer to the expiry date, and we'll see how we go with our investments. Alright, so we'll see you soon. Okay, so I've resumed the video. We've got 30 seconds to go before the trades close. As you can see here, all my trades are actually winning, which you can see here, the potential payout is in green. If one of these was to go into a losing position, you'd be minus $100 here. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. This won't always happen. You won't get 100% of your trades winning. It is very common that you will lose trades, and you should expect that you won't win every trade. The goal here is to obviously win more trades than you lose. Okay, so let's see how close we are here. Okay. Okay, yeah. Alright, so that's all gone in. You can actually see my balance now is $2,949. So in this particular trade, I just made $700 in 1 hour, with 4 trades returning me a profit of $175. Alright, well that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please send them through to me via my website. And signing off. May all your trades be profitable.